of hard to see. Hey, so today we're going to be doing some riso printing. Let me show you. I'm going to be working on a 4-color riso print, and this will hopefully be the final results, so let's get to it. So I'm hitting start on this guy, and the first round consists of sunflower and aqua inks. So this is the first layer, and as you can see, it looks pretty crazy, but when I add the green and the black inks, and I shut the door, everything will print over each other, and the layers will finally look like the final result, and it'll look a little less crazy. And so this is it, and I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I really love riso printing, and it feels like a great mix between digital and traditional mediums, and I'll hopefully be printing a lot in the future. Oops. I'm always too lazy to reset my camera, but yeah, now I have to sign all of these guys and pack them up and send them out to my patrons, and I'm very thankful for it. Like, this is pretty cool. Thank you guys. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna watch a fun video, and you know, it's boring, but it's fun. It's one of those things. So I just got back from the factory where I make my riso prints, and I printed my little riso print for, I keep saying riso, but it's my Patreon riso print club. Patreon riso print club on Patreon. And so I did this month, and it looks something like this. And I like how it turned out. I used the main color here is a sunflower, and then this building is a mix between aqua and green, and then black for the outline colors. So that's a total of, count them, 4 colors. Yeah, and I also made, or I reprinted one other thing. Hold on, let me get it. So this is a reprint. I had previously sold out of this, so it's back, baby. So this will be going up in my shop. I'm planning on reopening it next week, maybe. All of my materials and like packing supplies have finally arrived at my new apartment, so I'm ready to get back into business. So fingers crossed that it all goes well, and I know it will. So very excited about new and old stuff. There it is. And hopefully, now that I live closer to the factory, I'll be able to print a lot more things. So, all good stuff. So it's Friday, and right now I am about to start taking inventory because I closed my shop last month because I was moving and I got married and it was a little bit crazy. So I'm planning on reopening it next week, I think. Either way, sometime very soon. So yeah, the counting inventory, very exciting, very fun. Actually, no, I actually do really like it. It's kind of just like mindless and simple, but it still feels like I'm being productive, so I don't mind it at all. Yesterday, I packed up the first round of like Patreon riso print mail orders, and I just mailed those today. And so I'm feeling like I'm finally getting stuff done, which is good. That's all that's happened, and there's not too much to report. If you hear any banging around in the background, it's because my best friend from high school is actually moving into the apartment above us, which is very exciting. So stay tuned for that. But that's literally happening right now. The movers are bringing their furniture up, so. By the way, I just want Squarespace to sponsor me for something. I use them for everything. So this is a little reminder for myself in the future. Keep going until Squarespace finds you. One day, Squarespace will find me and I will be like, yes, you may sponsor me. Thank you. I love you. Mwah, mwah. All right, whatever. Let's get back to work. As usual, the only thing that Lou ever wants to do is, is play fetch all day long. Did you get distracted, buddy? Come on. Come on, drop. Good boy. All day long. He will literally tap me on the shoulder if I'm working and not paying attention to him, so that we can play fetch, which is fine. He's my buddy. Oops, I was editing the video and I noticed that I never filmed an outro. So this is me filming an outro. I was also going to film another like question and answer segment, but I think I'm gonna have to save that for the next vlog because I just kept pushing this off and it's been weeks and I should have posted it like 3 weeks ago. So this is the outro. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. It would mean a lot if you did. Did I just squeak? It would mean a lot if you liked and subscribed. But thanks for watching, yeah. I don't know how often I should say it, over and over and over. It means a lot every single time. Alright, I'm just rambling. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.